At least 45 people died and over 6 lakh others were affected in the flood in 19 districts of Assam. According to an official statement, at least 8 rivers were flowing above the danger mark, with the Brahmaputra reaching its highest flood level at Nimati Ghat in Jorhat district. Multiple agencies including NDRF, SDRF, Indian Army, Indian Air Force and the local administration were engaged in rescue operations. Apart from humans, wild animals have also been affected by the deluge in the state. In the Kaziranga National Park, animals began migrating from the reserve forest to a nearby hill to escape from the increased water level. However, the flood situation is likely to be compounded in the coming days as Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall in the state for the next 2 days to 3 days.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।